As farmers dey the season of planting cassava and corn, the executive chairman of Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Ogbemudia, don support 20 cassava and corn farmers for Egor Local Government area with 20,000 naira each to help them buy their corn seeds and cassava stem. The Egor Council boss give the support to the cassava and corn farmers for one meeting where she held with the farmers for Egor Local Government Council Secretariat. This is part of Honorable Ogbemudia administration effort to boost agricultural productivity and ensure prosperity of the 2024 farming season for Egor Local Government. Honorable Ogbemudia first get talk session with the farmers and still talk say other farmers, including fishery and poultry farmers, go dey empowered once the local government council provide them.
Why we are here is to meet with real farmers. Farmers in Eghe, not fishery, but cassava. So this time around now, you are preparing to start planting, and the planting now is cassava and maize. Okay, maize is the main thing now. When you are doing poultry, yes, we know that some people they do poultry business. Fishery, we are coming to verify. We will need your address, your phone number, the location. The department, Agric department here will come around to your houses or to where you say you have your farm, your poultry farm, your fishery. We will come and assess it. Then after that, we will now know what to do. So what we are talking about now is people who are into that cassava and maize that are planting, farmers now. And for those people that got a little bit of empowerment today, I want to wish you all the best. And I know Omena River Base, you who have always been proving yourself as real farmers, and every time we call on farmers, you are always around. Even there, you farmers are always around. If you know you are a farmer and you are farming, please, like I said, register with us. Let us know you so that we will know how to help you. This is the season of farming. I cannot just go around now and start empowering everybody when we know that some of them are not really farmers. Please, like I said, we are going to profile you, and when we profile you as a council, as a government, we will do the needful.
For their part, the farmers will benefit from the empowerment. Control a salute to Honorable Ogbemudia for her support.
The local government chairman has just empowered us, we the farmers in Ward 1, Egor local government area. To be precise, Igwe. We thank her very much. We are indeed very grateful. We will utilize the money by the special grace of God. Something will come out of it.
I so much appreciate the chairman for what she has done for us today. She has given us a token to support our farming business. And I want to say God will bless her immensely. I think this will go a long way in enhancing good productivities in all our farming endeavor. Thank you and God bless you, our amiable mama.
The meeting also give the farmers the opportunity to register with the local government farmers and food security departments. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Chidinma Onwebu, TMT TV News.